Hey everyone, how's it going? We're live. This is the NEStonia Build Challenge, 67 out of 163 parts. And today we're going to do a short stream. Nothing over the top. So we're going to do a few parts, not too many. Just D2, 3, and 4. So we'll just pull our guys out. We'll get into our find unpopulated here, and we got another small, three small guys. So it's we're gonna look at BAT54 SDW Schottky diodes, and look at the DigiKey stock here. 49,129. If we look at the Mouser stock, $9,767. BAT54 SDW. This guy here, figure 45. Let's make it a little bigger. These guys, so they're essentially for reverse voltage protection. You would tie the rails to the appropriate VCC or ground so that it would backflow over voltage or under voltage. Anyway, enough about that. So the main purpose here is to protect the HCT 368s. The right side USB port is capable of power delivery because the BQ chip supports voltages higher than 5 volts. And so we just have the V bus line come in through 100k ohm resistor. There's a capacitor, it's an RC circuit, but essentially the diodes just keep the voltage between 0 and 5 volts. As you'll see, it's connected over to ground and PMID here. J10 is just a jumper on the board. We'll get to that at some point. Anyway, enough about that. Let's start working the board. We got to pull these guys out of here. Alright, so D45 is supposed to be right on the back here. Oh, D2, right. Okay. So it's got to go in there. All right. Kind of made a little bit of a mess there. So the notable thing here about the part is it doesn't have an orientation. You'll see that you could flip the part 180 degrees, rotate it, and it's exactly the same configuration. So we probably won't see a orientation dot on the part, but we'll see. Anyway, let's get back to work. For this location, the curve, we'll use the curve guys, the tweezers. Let's get the part out of there. Okay, which way is it anyway? I lost a part. I need new tweezers. These ones are slippery. We're not going to use those tweezers for these parts. That we're not going to have a lot of luck with that. We're just going to have to move on. I mean, the parts are super cheap, but that's not the point. I'll have to find the part later. I mean, you know, if I'm lucky. Okay, I'm going to try this again. I usually start with shaky hands, folks, but it is proving surprisingly challenging. That part is in the way. Wow, maybe we'll get one part done today. I don't know. Folks, I never give up. Guess we'll have to fix it. Didn't look crooked from this way. Cold solder joints. Ah, my old arch enemy. Oh, the first one is always the hardest, folks. It's... As you might guess, it's very hard to use the microscope because the screen gets turned off. It's an El Cheapo. And we're back. So the microscope is on a grounded plate. Just want to let everyone know that it is grounded. We would normally have a wrist strap. Or we'd have those things you wear in your shoes. So I guess we're gonna just spent a lot of time doing that part. Sometimes it's just a matter of getting warmed up. Well, that one looks good. And then the only one that concerns me is that one pin on the bottom there. Well, folks, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Get a really good focus here. Yeah, I think it's good. I mean, is it pretty? You know, it's hand soldering. What do you want? Okay, so you know the drill, folks. Okay. Now it's going to be this guy here. Yeah. So we're going to take a look at the chat and see what's going on. And if nothing is, then I guess we're done. Yeah, it looks like we're done today, folks. Don't know why my music isn't working today. I'm not sure about that. That's all she wrote, folks. Thanks for watching. We'll try and do these live streams a little more often because there's a lot of parts to take place, and well, we've got to take it easy. So have a good one, folks, and see you next time.